How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do a vein workout to really get the veins in your hand popping. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So we're just going to do a little workout. We're going to take a little bit of a break in between, and yeah, just follow along with me. So yeah, we're going to start off by doing finger extensions, 20 reps, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, followed by a 20-second break. When doing these, you can really switch up your rep ranges. You don't have to, your rep ranges and your rest period. So instead of doing 20, you could do 30. Instead of 20-second rest periods, you could do 5 seconds if you want to. Next one is going to be the claw stretch. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold this position for about 20 seconds. Now, when doing this exercise, you want to make sure that you curl really high up. You don't want to go like this. This is not the claw stretch. This is the claw stretch. And you should be squeezing the whole time. If you're not squeezing, then you're not doing this exercise correctly. So again, hold for about 20 seconds. And then we're going to take a little bit of a break. The thing is, I know a lot of people are probably thinking, well, you should be doing rest periods, you should have very limited rest periods, like 5-10 seconds. This is definitely good, but I find by allowing a little more rest time in between sets, it allows the blood to flow to your veins a little bit better, and it makes them look that much better, in my opinion. The next exercise is gonna be a squeeze. So get your fist like this and just squeeze as hard as you can, like super, super hard. And again, this should be very tough. If you're like, oh, this is super easy, you're not squeezing hard enough. So again, 20 seconds. We'll take a 10-second break. No 20-second, 10-second break. Now we're gonna do finger extensions, 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. 10-second break. We'll do one other exercise after the 10 seconds, and that'll be it. So this is a great exercise to do. I recommend do this at least twice a day, in my opinion. You can do this twice a day, maybe even 3 times a day, and you're gonna get some good results. So we're just gonna squeeze as hard as possible for 15 seconds. So just squeeze. So again, really, really squeeze as hard as you can. Perfect. So I end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999.